Hey, Facebook, happy Friday to you. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful one. Hey, we made it to the end of the week. That's always a plus for me. If I can make it to the end of the week, I'm in good shape. If you're watching live, type live. If you're watching replay, type replay. Let me know where you're watching from. Pop in the comments, where you're watching from. I'd like to see how far we're getting with these lives. I'd really like to see how far in the world we're reaching out. If you're watching on YouTube, I have not yet downloaded them. I've got it as a goal. It keeps stacking up on me. The last time I tried to download it, my YouTube was having issues and I couldn't get them to switch. So I'm still in the process of getting them there, but we will get it done. I've had a lot going on lately. We're in the process of rebuilding our website, and so I had a lot going on with that. Hey, thanks for watching. I can't really see who that is. Comment. Let me know who you are. So the question is this. UV. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Okay, my camera just glitched out there for a minute. Hey, thanks watching for us, Johannes. Is that how you pronounce it? Johannes? Johanatas? How do you pronounce it? Let me know. Hey, so the question came up this last week, and it was actually brought up by a customer. UV lighting. It's a big thing in plumbing now as far as filtration systems and purification systems, conditioning. How's it work? And does it take out everything? And the answer is no. There's not going to be everything taken out by UV lighting. Basically, UV lighting is there to take out your chlorination. It does not do anything as far as contaminants such as like heavy metals, salts, chlorines,